Hi, kids. Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Yours, Mohit.
Today, we are going to learn the alphabet A words.
Are you ready?
Let's go!
A is for apple. A is for apricot. A is for almond. A is for avocado. A is for acorn. A is for airplane. A is for ambulance. A is for axe. A is for anchor. A is for apron. A is for arrow. A is for astronaut. A is for angel. A is for artist. A is for archer. A is for arm. A is for ankle. A is for alien. A is for eye. A is for ant. A is for alligator. A is for ape. A is for armadillo. A is for Arctic fox. A is for aardvark. A is for albatross. A is for anole. A is for axolotl. A is for African elephant. A is for antelope. A is for alpaca. A is for anteater. A is for Arabian oryx. A is for aardwolf. A is for African wild dog. A is for African penguin. A is for anaconda.
Right.
Hey kids,
Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.
Continue learning for more words of A.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.